tlanwa ka tshware e tshela. On Betway's Metshameko Madness, I'm your host, Kennedy Thal. We have media mogul and a very successful entrepreneur, Mr. Lumo Andre BT. And we're here with one of Botswana's finest, funniest comedians, Mr. Bambino himself in the flesh. All together again. The winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula for a charity of their choice. So,
let's rock, baby.
I'm going to count you down from 3, 2, 1, go! What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
Give it to me,
Is it
baby.
tuck and pop? Is it dunk in the trunk? Is it blind taste? Is it ghost box? It is the ghost box!
Why gross?
Lumo,
Yebo.
we have hidden 7 casino chips in there, each worth 1,000 points. You must fish them out within that substance and place them in the compartment to your right in this box. Now, if you can guess, in these 60 seconds, what is in this box, that doubles your overall score. I think the thing in there is alive. So I'm actually really nervous for you, okay? So I think what's here. 3, 2, 1. Pull the cloth off, Lumo, right now. Let's go. You have 60 seconds. Come on, Lumo. Let's go, Lumo. 51 seconds. Come on, there's no time to waste. Lumo, let's go. You have 7 chips worth 1,000 points each. Do you want this? Go now. Lumo, now. Lumo, put your head in there right now. 39 seconds, Lumo. Lumo, go now. Lumo. Lumo, fight your fear. Look at me. Don't think. Go in. Go down. You have 28 seconds. Go in. Lumo, get back here. 20 seconds. 19, 18. 14, 13, go in, Lumo. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Go in. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time! Do you want to have a look? Unfortunately, you couldn't guess what was in the substance, but you survived. That's the best thing. Okay. Bambino. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Pull the cloth off, Bambino. You have 60 seconds on the... Oh my God. Is that maggots? What is that? Oh my God. Bambino, you have 37 seconds. Bambino, there's no time to waste. Just go in. Bambino, you have to go in. You have 32 seconds. You will lose the game if you don't get these 7 poker chips out. That's 1 poker chip. Come on, go in. You're doing very well, Bambino. You're doing very, very well. Come on. 21 seconds. 20 seconds. Come on. Oh my God. This is disgusting. It's peanut butter.
No,
oh
you are peanut butter.
You can keep trying to guess. 10 seconds. It's not grease, but keep guessing. 8 seconds. Come on. 6, 5, no, 4, 3, guess. 2, 1. It's. You are freaking out over butter.
There's no way butter.
It's in your head.
Peanut butter. Don't play with us.
Hey, it's peanut butter. Come and feel this thing. It's peanut butter, this thing.
Let's do a drum roll.
Yes, sir.
Bambino. Lumo. Lumo, you managed to get 3,000 points. Bambino.
I feel it. It's a feeling.
I feel it.
Because they gave you butter. Of course you beat me.
Why? They give you
Bambino, congratulations.
I knew it.
At 6,000 points, your charity wins today 10,000 pula.
I told you.
Nice one, nice one.
If you enjoyed the games here today, there's a lot more on Betway.
Appreciate it.
You're on here from Metshameko Madness. I'm your host, Kennedy Fowler. Kgakologela le fa setshwantsho sa motsikinya go se tla bokhutong. Monate o ntse wa tswelela. Join Betway today.
Bye guys. Well done, well done.